pick up my IS300 bumper. I have a nasty ass blind spot right now. It's currently raining, but I want to thank my fiance for getting me this bumper cover. It's pretty nice. Just gonna have to get it wrapped and then put it on the car. I might just test fit it, but my window's open right now. This fucking bumper doesn't really fit. Plus it's dirty. My new car, man. Luckily it's just like dust, so it's gonna come right off the car, hopefully. But yeah, hopefully nothing happens, because it sucks driving in the rain. People just don't know how to drive. Sheesh, the sky looks nice. It's kind of drizzling a little, not that much, but the sky looks pretty sick. It's 6:15 p.m. over here in LA. Looks nice. Sun going down, big old cloud. Oh yeah. I'm driving the IS to work today. It's been like 2 weeks since I got that, and I've been neglecting it, but started right up. Still need to put the rear bumper on it. I was supposed to bring it, but clearly it's not here, so probably do it tomorrow. Make sure I have all the hardware I need. Yeah. Still starts right up, still running good. No problem on it. It's raining, so just gotta be careful. Just got to work. See the mountains over there. Pretty nice. Sheesh. It's dirty, but it's still popping. Another week of rain in LA. Pretty crazy. It really doesn't rain in California, like just a couple of days out of the whole year, and then this year, 23, it already rained like 3 good times. So kind of weird for us, but they say we're in a drought, so hopefully this helps out. Definitely see every time it rains, it clears up the fog, like the smog. I mean, not the fog, and also it makes the plants grow better. Grass, the hills and little mountains look greener. But yeah, everyone drive safe. Make sure you guys turn on your tail lights on, because sometimes some people can't see in the rain. Hopefully nothing's broken. Smells bad. Smells like fiberglass. Sheesh. Oh, it has a diffuser. Oh, you could take it off. Nice. That's beautiful. I didn't know that. Oh, it only has 2 holes back there. Interesting. So poner el bumper, güey. nadie. She is, guys. My boy Victor over there helped me out. My fiance gave me this bumper. Oh! Huh?
I said I gotta breathe that.
There you go. Going home in the spaceship. Put the new rear bumper on. Hopefully everything goes well. Yeah, it's been raining in Cali for a while. It's been like 3 weeks in a row now. Kind of sucks, to be honest, but it is what it is. Haven't washed my Elantra end since I got it because of that same reason. But yeah, finished putting the rear bumper on this bad boy. Took a little while. I had to my friend Victor had to grind down like a little bit of the rear body panel because bolt wasn't guiding in, so we got it going. And then I bought the OEM bumper like guide rods. They were too short, so luckily luckily there were some longer just bolts, same thread pitch, and then just had to get nuts. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Call it a day. There's my coworker right there. And